Now I'll show you that's a Sasa tank.
Okay, sure.
Look. April 2006. Look, Sasa.
Oh, you're right.
See, it's a Sasa tank.
You're right.
Mismatch.
Okay.
Looks like they... Uh-oh, that doesn't look good down there.
No.
Looks like it isn't secure.
Okay.
Looks like it isn't... Whoa, that tile seems to fall into the ground a little bit.
Okay.
I don't feel safe standing on it.
Okay.
There's a plunger.
Cool.
I think this toilet gets these clog a lot.
Okay.
I've seen one of these clogged before.
Okay.
Although that one had the original tank.
That's good to know.
This tank is newer than the bowl. The
Okay.
bowl was from around 1997.
All right.
I guess. I
Alright.
think.
That's awesome. Amber. Okay.
Look at this.